Yes, this is a question from a JAMB past question 2000, question number 11, UTME 2000, question number 11. And you see the problem clearly is on logarithms. Logarithms, you can see. This is one of the laws I discussed in my video on logarithms. So I recommend you watch that video. It's a complete one. This is based on that law, a number raised to a logarithmic power to the same base of an argument B. This is a simple law. The number being raised to the power A is the same as the base of the logarithm. And don't look far away. The answer is simply that argument of the logarithm. The only condition here is that the back of the log must be free. Look at the back of the log must be free. But in the problem given, you can see the back of the log is not free. And therefore, we have to make this suitable by applying another law of logarithm that says the back of the log can be evacuated. So each of the numbers written at the back of the log must be raised as a power on the argument. So if we apply this, we're going to write now. This is going to give us that same 5. Yes, now raised to power logarithm to base 5 of 2. That's the argument. Receiving the figure at the back of the log right now, which is -3. Okay, multiplied by the same thing is going to happen here. We have 2 as the base, written to power logarithm to base 2. Now we are clearing the back so that this 2 at the back goes as the power on 3 there. So you have 3 squared. Beautiful. And that satisfies this writing here. So the answer is simply that argument of the log. That argument of the log is simply the answer. Yes, we have the logarithm already written to same base. So that is it. We're going to take this because we have the number 5 raised to the power is the same as 5 there. We have the number 2 being raised to the power of the log, which is the same base as the log. So we can continue. The continuation will be, this is going to be simply 2 to the power -3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. That's right. And now we have to apply another law of logarithms, a law of indices that says a to the power -x. The negative sign in the power makes us apply what I call the mobility rule. Yeah, I did this in my video on indices. So this is simply the minus will be used to move into the denominator area, 1 over a to the power x. The minus sign is no longer there. And that's going to apply. So this is going to be by the mobility rule, 1 over 3, 2 to the power 3, multiplied by 3 squared. And now we can evaluate each of these figures. This is going to give us 1 over 2 to the power 3, which is 2 multiplying itself 3 times to give 8. You can figure that out. 2 multiplying itself 3 times gives 8, multiplied by 3 to the power 2, which gives 9. Now, if we have to combine this, then we go 9 times 1 in the numerator, 9. Divided by the prevailing denominator, 8. And this is the answer, really. Only we have to tailor it to the form of the options. No option satisfies us here except to come up with a mixed fraction. 8 divides into 9, one whole number, remainder 1. That remainder 1 placed on the original divisor, which is 8. And which option satisfies us now? Right there, option B. That's right. So we have the option B as our final answer. Very simple. Please subscribe to this channel and follow me for more lessons. I'm your regular coach. My name is Temple Eke. Keep up the practice. Remain solid.